Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be looking at creating content for music promotions. So one of the things that I think a lot of people struggle with is the fact that nowadays have to be a content producer as well as making music and recording music and doing all the other stuff that it takes to get out there. Video editing is one thing that a lot of people struggle with the most. So today I want to show you some editing software called Filmora by a company called Wondershare, and it makes it super easy to be able to create quick bits of content that are interesting and sometimes trending. So if you wanted to go for something that was trending, for instance, right now, you would go for something that was Halloween based and potentially the biggest TV franchise in the world right now, which is Stranger Things. So this is what this is great for. So over here you've got your media browser. You've got loads of stock media to choose from. So you could type in here rock concert. You could type that in and it's brought loads of rocks, but it has brought up some guitar stuff. Well, let's just type in concert rather than rock. Here you go. So you've got rock, you've got people there, look, celebrating, doing rocky type stuff. Like, you could use that footage and have your band's music playing over it. Whatever it is you want to do, you can pretty much do. You've got audio. So if you're making a vlog and you need music for your videos, you've got loads of free music. You've got music in here. You've got Halloween themed music right now, obviously, because you want something that's trending. You've got titles, so you don't have to know anything about graphic motion or anything like that. It's just all drag and drop. Transitions, effects, elements. So if you want to add, say for example, YouTube subscribe button on your video somewhere, you click that and then it'll take you to all these different examples. Look, boom, and then you've got your subscribe. So you've got all these tools. You've got a split screen as well, so you could have multiple people on the screen at the same time or part of your edit. But what I want to just show you quickly now is just how easy this is to do. So I'm going to put me over here somewhere in the corner out the way. I've already clicked on this one. Okay, you got the laughing. So you just simply drag that down into there and then the project opens up. And then it's here when you play it. Right, now when we open it up, it gets there. Now here you can see this is the text one because it's got the letter T. Double click on it, and we'll click on big T. The soul. And then R. It's going to be a big R. L. There you go. Right, so you got the soul revival. Now when that opens up, simple. All you do then is you just hit export. Once you're happy with it, click it. There you go. So then you just put in there stranger intro. We're just going to pick a folder, put it in there, TSR for band. In fact, I'll stick it on my desktop and I'll put it in my YouTube folder. Desktop, and we'll go into the YouTube folder and we'll save it in there. We just select folder, export, and that's it. It's done. So you've got a nice little bit of something for your content that you can now use. Now, let's say you wanted to do something slightly different, and you wanted a let's just go into here. So you've got green screens, you've got different color backgrounds that you can go for. You've got different type of effects. So I want to show you this. So let's say you are, let's go to stock footage and let's type in playing guitar. See what comes up here. It's a bit random sometimes. I don't know, I don't quite understand how the search works on here, but why playing guitar would bring up. There you go. So you've got someone playing guitar there. Let's have this one. This person's singing here. Right, so this person's doing some singing. Say that, pretend that's you in this instance. You're going to download it to match the media. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to make that a little bit more interesting. Obviously, you can put your own audio underneath it, or your audio would already be on it. But now you can come over to effects, and in effects now you've got lots of things like glitch, and it'll show you what it's going to look like. You've got old video. That actually looks quite cool. See, all these things are so easy to use as well, guys. Like, you just literally, just to view them, you just simply just click on them. Let's have a look at this one. Chalk outline. And there's loads. Trust that there's absolutely tons to choose from. Horizontal close. Oh, that's a close. So that's going to happen when it gets to the end. Boom. There you go. So absolutely tons of stuff in here to be playing around with. Like loads of effects. I mean, you can come over here and actually go into what's new. Clone dispersion, which is kind of cool. Horror stories pack, where you're on a TV. Again, kind of cool. Pumpkin filters, lights. There's tons of stuff in here, guys. Absolutely tons. So there's no excuse really for not being able to create great content. This program costs about, I think it's £50 to buy, and then there's like a £10 a month, I think, subscription for everything else that's in here. So all these, so audio visual waves as the music's playing. Now I'm not sure actually how that works, so I think maybe it needs the audio to already be in there for that to work, but I'd have to try that out. Right, AI portrait, this will be interesting. So let's try human segmentation. So let's drag that onto there. Let's see if this works. Okay, so you'd have to go into it further. Effect, edge thickness, edge feather. There's a lot going on in that background, so ideally that person would need to be on a ideally would need to be against a plain background, but you could see how that would work obviously if you was against a plain background. Oh, I've gone a little bit too far. But you get the idea. So with your stop media, we just drag that back in for a sec. If we go back to effects, we've got loads over here. So human pixelization, human glitch, ring, neon ring. I mean, that's pretty cool. Again, just it's something different, isn't it, guys? Like, you know, it's like, it's just making your social media stand out from everybody else's. And how can you do that? Like I say, you could use some of these effects to surprise people. Like, they're not going to expect to see these things, so they could be quite cool. I've got tons of filters on here. Don't know what this one does. Oh, this one's actually making it look like it's rumbling. That could be a cool effect to use in a music video. Glitches, cinematic, thriller. There's so much stuff in here, guys. I really implore you to just have a look at it and just give it a go, because it's something that can just make your videos go from being bang average to just being something a little bit different. I think it's a really, really cool thing. So, like I said, once you've picked what you want, let's say we go for sepia, we'll drag that on. Right, we've gone for that now. Now we want to go for a title, and you just simply drag the title onto here. So you can go either what's recommended, what's new, cinematic, plain text, openers. Then you got all these cool little things that you can have. There's so much in here, like literally thousands. So let's just go for something simple. You just drag it over the top. You just type in here, check out our new cover, change the size of it, boom, drop it into the middle, play, check out our new cover. If you want to animate that in any way, shape or form, you can as well, just simply by double clicking on it, and you can change the text, so you can have it change the color of it. Change the opacity. Then you've got your YouTube sticker you could drag on here as well. Do not forget to subscribe, people, so you can move each individual part of that if you wish. It's so easy to do, guys, like really easy. Give it a try if you want to try and start making your content a little bit more interesting. I highly recommend Wondershare Filmora. If you just want to create something quick, this is probably the quickest way of doing it. So that's it for me today in this video. Hope that helps you. The only other thing I would say is, I mean, there's some real basic controls. I will make another video showing you how to do this properly in terms of a vlog. I'll do that in another video. But for today, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to create little bits of content like this that you can then post to your social medias. That's going to make your social media accounts just look that little bit more professional and create content that people are going to enjoy. So there you go. If you like this video and it was useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back again very soon with more videos. Thank you.